weekend is near. Yeah. Oh no. Oh. Weekend is here. Another weekend is near. My friend will go for a beer. I've made myself clear. Battle is what I fear. Heading to a Kava shop. I just got a raw bass in 9 o'clock. A group we just formed. We had a bit of grub. After 2 hours of sitting, my phone starts ringing, asking where I've been. Overtime was the reply from me. Turn off my phone after that. That time it was